Looking for a good phone repair service? Then look no further. Contact our friendly and supportive team and find out more about our amazing services, tailored to meet your specific needs. Our team of tried and tested expert professionals are always available, ensuring you only get the best. We're eager and waiting to hear from you and answer any questions you may have on how we could better serve you. Reach out to us and let us show you our unwavering standards and commitment to you. Your satisfaction is our only objective, so please don't hesitate to contact us and let us show you all the amazing options we have for you.